The first shade I'm going to go in with is Silk Cream on a Morphe M514 blending brush. This is a really small blending brush. It's so great for the crease. I love it. So I'm just blending this shade all over, beginning the transition shades. Next, on the same brush, I'm going in with the shade Butter. This is like another warm, beautiful brown transition shade, and I am just blending this into the crease area, building up that transition. Next, I'm going in with the shade Roxanne on a Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm just focusing this on the outer crease. I am very slowly adding eyeshadow. I love this brush because it's like flat. It's like a flat blending brush. So I am slowly adding pigment to the outer half of my crease, blending it up, blending it over, but not bringing it into the inner corner area. Next, I'm going in with the shade Enchanted on a Morphe JH38. This is a very small pointed pencil blending brush, so that way I can stay really precise with my outer V area. And this shade is like the perfect cross between green and blue. It's like turquoise. It definitely appears lighter on the lid than it does in the pan. So I am just slowly blending this into my outer V. Slowly adding pigment, blending it out. This brush is just perfect for that because it's like tapered, it's small, it's pencil-like, so that way I can just stay in one area. And there is some lash glue still on my lashes. I've been wearing false lashes the past couple of days, and it's hard to get all that lash glue off without taking off your eyelashes. It's not very hygienic, but yes, there is some lash glue on my lashes. Next, I'm going in with the shade Diva. Oh my gosh, this shade is so beautiful. It's like the perfect cross between green and turquoise. I just absolutely love it. I was not expecting to love this shade. I'm more of a neutral girl, but this shade was just so, like, I was obsessed. Once I used it, I was like, I can't believe I haven't used this shade before. I am obsessed. It's so pretty. So I'm just going in with my finger, and after watching this, I really wish I would have gone in with a wet brush. I just feel like a wet brush would have taken this shade to like the next level. But here I am going in with my finger. These shades are so smooth, they're so buttery, they're so pretty, and I'm just slowly bringing in the shade, blending it out with my finger. I am blending it up into the crease. It's just, I'm keeping it on the eyelid, but I'm definitely blending it into that orange with my finger. So this kind of takes a while because I keep packing and packing and packing, but the shade is definitely pigmented. I'm just obsessed. This shade just like, it's everything. Next, I'm going in with a JH38 again with the shade Enchanted, and I'm just darkening up that V area. I'm taking the same brush in the shade Enchanted, and I am blending that into the outer half of my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with the shade Butter on a Sigma E25, and I'm just going to blend those edges in with the shade Diva. And then on a Morphe JH38, I'm going to go in with the shade Diva to just bring some of that turquoise sparkle to the bottom lash line. On a small Lavish pencil brush, I'm going to go in and highlight the inner corner with this shade Enlighten. It's like a beautiful golden vanilla highlight. I then line my bottom waterline with Rimmel London Nude eyeliner. To add some warmth and to balance out the makeup look, I am going in with the E25 in the shade Roxanne to just blend that into the bottom lash line. I'm being very careful not to blend away the turquoise. I'm then going to go in with Pretty Easy eyeliner by Clinique, and I'm going to make a really skinny winged eyeliner look. I bring this into only half of my eyelid. This is kind of like the Kylie Jenner really skinny winged eyeliner. I'm then applying a matte vanilla shade to my brow bone from a different palette, and then I apply some false lashes. They're the brand Kiss in the style Pageboy, and then that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.